So what I'm gonna do, mine's almost gone. What I am going to do is just pick up, I'm gonna do like a 3D flower. I'm gonna pick up probably about 3 beads, and they are tag free. So if you are working with the nails like this or on your glove, it's no problem. But if you are working with your hand like this, make sure you are going to clean your hand with the 99% alcohol. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3 beads, and I'm gonna create these super cute simple 3D flowers. There are so many different ways. This is one of really cute way, easiest way, and then super cute, and I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna get like, is a good portion beads, and then I separate it and divide it to 3, and we're probably gonna make it like couple more beads smaller around, and then we're gonna like incorporate with the acrylics of the crystal as well. All right, so now only you need is using a 3D dual brush. This one end is for your liquid and powder, and then the other end is for your 3D and 4D and omega gels. And it's like similar like a 4D gel, it's only a different omega gel is like really transparent, it's clear, so which is awesome because you can absolutely add some pigments. So we're gonna have some like a gold and kind of reddish pigments on it, and see how it's gonna turn out. And I'm gonna start with the baby pink. I'm gonna do super cute. I am going to start, let's do this one is like right there. I'm gonna do, instead of usually when you see me doing it, I always doing it right on the cuticle area. This time we can do like, keep in mind you can do however you want. Okay, you can place them on the angle diagonals cuticles area, or right in the middle of the nails. Okay, so we'll start with 3 first. I'm gonna go ahead and use the tip of your 3D dual brush. So we're gonna do, let's move this all on the side, press down and let go, and then you're gonna spread on the right, on the left, and using the tips of your 3D dual brush, and you are going to like molding, sculpting, and it's not going to run anywhere. It's not going to dry until you are going to place it under the LED light. Okay. Same thing. And if you're doing your clients, you can able to hold the clients just like this way. So I'm gonna press it down, and then those is it cool about a 3D dual brush. We design that angle and it perfect sizes for this tips, so then you don't have to work harder. This is will give you like, I'm showing step by step slow like this, but once you get hang of this, when you're doing a couple times, you're gonna see this one bam bam bam, like pretty much done in like literally probably it's gonna be in less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna blend this one a little bit deep in here because I want to get it carry some of the crystal for me too, or you can put some beads on it. Either way it works. I'm gonna add just some of the green in there. Also some of the red too. I'm gonna use the crystal from mixed bag that I got from the sub box. I was like, all of a sudden, like, what do I get it, this one from? You know what? I got one of this. Let's have a random one. I'm gonna grab it from this one. I'm gonna grab it quick for me. I'm trying to get the blue one. I just need the blue one though. I need those. Okay. I have some red here. Alright, so I'm gonna get some green here from the Ultimate Crystal Kits. Okay, I just need 3 of them. Cool. Those 3. And then now if you are going to, we're gonna do one more time under this one. Oh, I do like it though. I'm gonna continue with this. Can you see it under?
Yeah, you can.
It's not dry yet because we haven't cured anything, so it's gonna stay like that until we are going to cure. So now if you want to adjusting your 3D design, do it so before you are going to cure. I really like it. This one. And I'm gonna cut just a little bit off. That is a really cool thing about Omega Gel as well. You can able to adjusting it until you are going to feel happy about it. Because I have this one a little bit bigger, like this beads. So I'm just getting a smaller to fit with this. But now, if you are doing is coffin nails, it will give you enough space. This is the more of like stiletto. So we want to make sure that in the frame, like this one, like have a, making like the leaf is just falling off. Okay. Get a couple more. That's it. Oh, one more. So I take advantage from it's still wet, it's not dry yet. So I'm gonna just like anchors all the crystals that I am going to do. You can put any kids, like, you know what? This one is even cute with the clear color too. Don't you think so?
Mm-hmm.
Look cool, huh?
Yes.
Look like icy snow flower or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm gonna give it a really quick flash cure for about 20 seconds because I wanna rub some of my chromes on it. All right, so cure, flash cure. Here, run.